Alright, we out here. Got all the peeps. Dante, Mo, they're gonna be hosting today. It's pretty nice. We got Kendrick. Kendrick's event is also right after this. We're gonna be doing two S back-to-back races, or racing events, meets. We don't really do events, we do meets, but whatever. So it's gonna be like back-to-back hits. We got a good amount of people show up today. I mean, not horrible. Pretty nice. We actually had some spectators while we were testing, but it's getting around that time where we're gonna have to start. And I gotta start setting up all this camera equipment. So let's get it. So we only had about half of our list racers this weekend. A lot of the guys were out of town doing family things, family matters, you know, personal situations. But we also had to remove someone off the list due to absentees. So we were able to race for the number 10 spot and add a little bit more racing in this. And my equipment also died pretty early on. But I hope you guys enjoy the footage I was able to get. And thanks for watching.
And there you go. So technically when you come up to the line, when it's down here green, go in and start doing your burnout. So that way by the time it gets back up to the top, you'll be ready. Depending on how long you do your burnout, adjust accordingly so that you can be ready. Other than that, that's really it. Am I forgetting something?
No, I'm losing shit though.
We all live. Oh, chassis. Everybody, if you came out here on one chassis, if you wreck and you break your chassis, replace it with the same chassis. Don't go if you got a composite chassis, don't switch it to carbon. You know, that's a whole different car at that point. Now, if you change the motors, ESCs don't care about that, but the chassis has to stay the same. Period.
Yeah. Or you're off the list.
You got to start over.
Yeah, if you change the frame, you starting over.
Yep, pull the whole car.
That's
Look, let me get mine on the list first.
Left lane.
All right, drivers ready. Watch the light. Don't jump.
Oh, damn. I put this on YouTube.
What? What? You gotta beat him again.
Sometimes slow is fast.
Got you, Will.
Damn.
Hopefully all these passes makers will help me.
All right, drivers ready. Watch the light.
Wait a minute. That's a DNA?
I'm stuck. Who went out first though?
Matt.
Right lane.
Matt went out right. Matt went right. Well. Oh! Left lane! Left lane! Half the car, it looks like. Yeah, it's about finished. Oh! Damn!
Alright.
Drivers ready. Watch the light. Don't jump. Oh! Ooh! Left lane!
Was it?
Yep.
It looked like right lane.
It was left lane by
Alright guys, this concludes the list race. Like I said previously, we didn't have a lot of guys in town this list race. We had a lot of people out of town. And I wanted to add something to give this a little more flavor.
I wanted to do clip of the day, best race of the day. I didn't get any Dynasty racing footage because obviously, like I said, I didn't have any battery life. All of my equipment died pretty early on. So here's one clip from the Dynasty event I think personally is the best clip of the day. Will Bethune submitted this clip. We appreciate the clip. The clip will roll now.
We had a smallish race today. We had a lot of guys out of town. We didn't get like a crazy amount of racing done today. Also, it was so cold that everybody's run with your run cars wasn't even like running right. It seems like everybody's stuff is like running all iffy. I don't know what's going on there. But it may be the weather, may not be. The 2S class today on Kendrick's race side was pretty good. Had a good amount of 2S cars that could bracket race, so it's pretty good turnout on Kendrick's side. It was an overall cold, decent day, you know. But thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more. Also have a review coming up for a spool by OKT Bumpers. I'm gonna post up the picture, you know, let everybody know I'm doing a review on it. But the reason I'm doing a review on this thing is because most people who run the hot racing spool end up eating up the back end the outfeed drive on it. It just eats the teeth up, like it literally shears the teeth. So I'll be showing pictures and reviewing all that good stuff in the video. But thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned.